Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to swap variable values. Let's get started. First, we're going to write A is equal to 42 and B is equal to 63. And then we're going to make two new lines and we're going to write A comma space B, which is equal to B comma space A. Then we're going to make two new lines again and we're going to write print, and then we're going to make an F string and another F string. We're going to make an F string, and then we're going to write the value of A, and then colon space, and then curly brackets, and then A inside those curly brackets. And basically the same thing, but all the A's are B's. So the value of B, colon space, B, curly bracket, B, bracket. So let's see what happens when we run this. Let's run, and it says the value of A is equal to 63, while the value of B is equal to 42. But if you read our line 1 and line 2, it says A is equal to 42, while B is equal to 63. So let's see why this says A is equal to 63 while B is equal to 42. So it's because we gave the value to A, which is 42, and the value to B, which is 63. And we're swapping these values because we did A comma space B, which is equal to B comma space A. So how this works is the A, it like finds the value of A, which is 42, and then finds the value of B because we have comma space B, and then it swaps the value of B with A, and it keeps the value of 42 beside, and B has no value. That's why you have to put equals B comma space A, which means that the value of A, which it was 42, but it's now 63, it's going to come to B. So the value of B is now 42. So that's how it switched. And this string, and then these curly brackets, and then the values. So why I use the F string is because if you just use a normal string, then these curly brackets and the stuff inside the curly brackets are going to become orange, which is bad. And why that's bad is because it says the value of B, colon space, curly bracket, B, curly bracket. Because in strings, it's going to print the exact same text that you wrote inside it. So that's why I used F string. So when you run this, it's going to be something. So this works with like any name of, so you can change this to C and you can change this to D, but you just have to put it D and C and D. It works with anything. And why this was an error, because A is not defined, so yeah. You have to put D and C. And yeah. You can also change this, but like I'm not going to do that right now. The value of A is equal to 63. Imagine A was D. Let me just change that. And yeah, the value of D is equal to 63, while the value of C is equal to 42. And it works with any number. So let's say 87 and 24. And yeah, just loading. The value of D is equal to 87, and the value of C is equal to 24. So yeah, that was the end of this video. And if you like this video, make sure to click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.